This is parboiled rice. This is coconut water. You blend the coconut, put a little hot water on it and sieve it. You now take the water. This is the native spices. I pound it. This is my chopped onions. I put my coconut water inside the pot. I put my white rice, parboiled. After putting my coconut water, I put the rice, we turn it. I now add the stock cubes. I add the spices. I add the chopped onions. I add the white pepper. The coconut rice is done. I see it. This is the ingredient for Sovereign Mice beef. This is vegetable. I have potato, I have peas, I have sweet corn, carrots, green pepper, yellow pepper, red pepper, fresh tomato. I have my groundnut oil. I have my chopped onions. I have ginger, garlic, non-cube for my stock cube. This is the mice meat. Mice meat, you can have your sausage. You can buy raw meat and prepare it by yourself. I'm saying my mice meat is seasonal. Coriander, thyme, onions, ginger and pepper sauce. I want to fry my tomato. Tomato is smelling little fried and stay fried. Smelling and potato. I add this little salt cube. Little fried and with a still fried. I now add my beef. I shake it and I add my vegetables. I have peas, I have carrots, I have red bell pepper, green bell pepper, yellow bell pepper. I have my sweet corn. The soften mice is done. When you add the vegetable, I use the same machine as stir-fried vegetables for the same dish. I add my young fish. I add the vegetables. Stir-fried vegetables. 2 minutes and we bring it down. Stir-fried. This is a coconut rice. Sovereign mice, stir-fried vegetable.